How you doing, backers? Okay, in today's video we are going to make flapjacks. Right, okay, so you need 250 grams of rolled oats. I have already put in the pan 125 grams of butter, 125 grams of light brown sugar, and 90 grams of golden syrup. And I've already pre-greased the baking tin as well, ready. Right, so in the saucepan, just mix up over medium heat the sugar and the butter and the golden syrup. Okay, so now that the sugar and butter have dissolved, I am now going to take it off heat, and I'm going to put the rolled oats in. And I'm going to give it a stir until all the oats are coated. Okay, so now I'm spreading the mixture out evenly. Okay. Should be enough, as evenly as I can. Right, and now I'm putting it in the oven for around about 15 minutes, or until they've gone golden and golden brown. Right, now what you need to do now is leave for about 5 minutes to cool down. I don't know if you can see, it's sizzling hot. Okay, after 5 minutes, mark some cuttings where you want to have it cut into separate squares. Just like so. Right, okay, so After that, leave for a further 5 minutes. Now, ever so very carefully cut them from the baking tray. Yeah, and put onto a plate like this or into a container, depending on what you want to do. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please do remember to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to leave a comment for me, and also maybe suggest what I should make next, whether it be savoury or sweet or what have you. And if I do decide to, I'll give you a shout out. Also, if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And also, as always, if you've got autism, learning to cook and wanting to learn to cook, or you're not autistic and you want to learn to cook anyway, do remember, I have your back.